you're getting tired. Got a look in your eye, looks a lot like a bite. Hold on to your secrets tonight. Don't want to know I'm okay with this price. It's a truth that I don't want to wear. You're hiding regret in your smile. There's a storm in your eyes I've seen coming for a while. Hang on to the past and it's tonight. Don't say a word, I'm okay with the quiet. The truth is gonna change everything. So lie to me and tell me that you're gonna be alright. So lie to me and tell me that we'll make it through the night. I don't mind if you wake me before you tear me apart. Look me in the eye. Lie, lie, lie. Lie, lie, lie. Oh, I know that there's no turning back. If we put too much light on this, we'll see through all the cracks. And let's stay in the dark one more night. Don't say a word, I'm okay with the silence. It's a truth that I don't want to hear. So lie to me and tell me that we're gonna be alright. So lie to me and tell me that we'll make it through the night. I don't mind if you wait before you tear me apart. And look me in the eye. Lie, lie, lie. Don't want to believe in destiny. Let the cameras roll on, keep pretending. Tomorrow's so wrong. If you walk away, so stay. So lie to me and tell me that we're gonna be alright. So lie to me and tell me that we'll make it through the night. I don't mind if you wait before you tear me apart. And look me in the eye. Lie, 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 and lie to me and tell me that we're gonna be okay. So lie to me and tell me that we'll make it through the day. I don't mind if you wait before you tear me apart. Look me in the eye. Lie, lie, lie. Lie, 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 lie. opportunity to talk about yourself. This next song, one of the big perks of this gig is I've been able to kind of share a space and write with and collaborate with people that I really, really admire. Near the top of that list, if not at the top of the list, is a guy by the name of Kevin Griffin. Hey, you guys can make some noise. Kevin is the lead singer of a band called Ben and Ezra. A few more claps, all right. This song just kind of, I think the songs that really kind of cut through are the songs that that happen quickly and aren't overthought. And this song fell together really, really quickly. This is a song called Fade Into Me.